Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Dr. Steve Matthew Amache.
Yeja.
Ebo mu tise.
Pomo ye.
Jede Nyankopon ase. Yanhwe experience ewo eye omen kwa ye faso ede eye dwumadie bi ema amanfo bi se wo monye mai contract akodo. We experience any procurement breaches aya na ekoso ewo omen yi mo eto sen ediga.
Yo, did kind of my main plan is to ensure we here for nothing so no. In time to Jana in this particular instance, no. The CASA as a policy analyst at the Integrated Social Development Center,
ISODEC, yeah.
Very good. Now, my kind of say, you know, my main sharing to say, yeah, in 20, you know, for sure, the dear on my physical degree, a procurement sector. Tempi no kwanya ye paso di contract Emma no ya na utinu say ye papa in paso in spite of the fact that ye were imra HPC kwanya ye paso award the contract e wo ye name one yin na ye this one nke be boa nti say ye loro kwan ene na so tena bu na loro kwan say tutua asitira ne say dream di echo so wo kwan ye pass so a ye de contract ne ma ye either say dia de contract ne ma no oni akade oni nimdie e wo dwuma no ho we san so wo sika odi sika ko fa mu nti no ye de contract na ma no nti ano tan oni nimdie no won san wa ye dwuma ne de la no ja ho in fact ye dwuma mu kwa ye dwuma ye as a public interest and accountability committee, you know, although I'm not speaking in that capacity, you know. You see, I need to do or your project degree, never quiet, them a contract, yeah, I dare ye, the NCK, see a year, and then say, so what can you in the particular case of St. Francis Girls Senior High School, only a renovation of some science resource center, barely a year, 1 year, not just say, woman you made you look on at the Japan. He said, the answer. You know, I don't know if you free. Say, dear, if I did one man, no, only in the end of one can of the day, money, you know, and yet. Now, I can't get femono. Yana dear, everybody say. I buy contract, they say, and I buy a cabo, Sicato. But it's not say young proper procurement processes as well. You undermine process, you will let it a security. Assistant say, as a channel say, dear, Nipa all play contract, you know. Obetutu ya ho saa man panyimfo a award contract no nti go che to be wi no waboka bebre e wo contract ba ko a ode ho nti contract ni begin ni semu a saa e ka obo ye bribe tutu na je nyina na to tin ni efri nti wo mu sika na aka no a ode be ye dwuma na nkata no na enso nti wo no a ye dwuma ne basa biara etu de bi ko na sika ni ntimi wi dwuma no yes, contract is done you know. Not just a humano, a concord, non passo dia, as I said, the bread amount for no, not actually won't.
Yansha aya DSC, any action na a free abemo abba. As a policy analyst in the Mebacho Hunise.
Me and Huni say, Yabani dear, a unfortunate. Now, the Biamatuma Yamekan say, dream. In say you pay dear, ebeba. But mean the year make a CN says, Bibisa ebituja. And a mom bang na abaya or teja so old to. Men no yamaka see, essence of Hadiana, but it's unfair. O Mampenina or teja so. Many a woody dear. This a yank in a mufono. You go hunua, Yabeka. Yabekanato or Yahu dear. Ebwa o mine no so wan ye ho hwe a o na me e ha me kase ne je se ye di o mine na bo ye nyina ye ni ntem sa sembe tu ja no o man penyina tu ho na mo ndi o penya asemi pa no ho no wo tu na sen me hwa ne kwan so ano no esan se unti me ntwe obi aso wa bra wo ni na tem nto o twe ne sen so ne ya ye benya kwan ne ya kokko ntem no ni ahwe de etie nti ampa otwene say no wan amananso ho a we refer in seminar for further investigation to establish the fact. It is a coming one. A honorable Omantini Abaso Ewo. The coming so and Kamumayan train so. Na investigations are Omantini Commission no. And also. Na emu seminar ebituja. Yenya yetimidi yamu atumudi. Me ameno wakala sadre. Yenka investigative bodies no ho. Investigative ni radio so no pay. Emwaten. Anapo enye hwehwemu. Se wo bibia e pa sema be hu a, bi say e ko dan. Investigative bodies na ebeboa won ama mo ayi duma ne mane ayefe. Dubi sa mi ade meka no. Na matise bi kika se na yentimi mbo manpanyin abaso ne ade nyina masema ni bisa ne se. Entinka asamene beto manpanyin animu no. Nga onye de. We ya say hey, we say hey. Medie anamontu ana mehwe ni mu ane se bibi sa betoja intempam no omanpanyini ebebembi na asuya efa omo ho ase omo ye mu hwehwemu no omo so be mu bi na omo ye hwehwemu ni nyina na ye de bedan omanpanyini na anamontu a recommendations is free investigations in the bano ye betira omanpanyini no nyina so no mpanye djuma enye enough say be family pa na ko tesi kwa the moment investigation just wa ye mfumso bia asotwe a mrani kyerɛ sɛ mfama no yɛmfama no ko hwɛ ade abetodwe sɛ allegations ni to confirm a na eboda on criminality deɛ ɛyɛ mmarasɛm na nka CID fo ahwɛ na nka na monto ɛsɛ omutu no na ometu na akwakoyɛ nhwɛsodeɛ ama ya yɛwɔ kyerɛ a ebia yɛadwene sɛ yɛbɛtumi di sɛ dwuma a ɛte saa afa yɛn ho adi no na yɛayɛ ahwɛ yie.
Okay.
Utie Oha Exi Punk no. Needs FM.